So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the problem of the day for today, that is 29th of June. So the problem name is identical linked list. The difficulty level of this problem is basic and it is available on Geeks for Geeks platform. So in this video we are going to see the problem statement and the approach that we are going to use in order to solve this problem. So the problem statement is as follows, that given the two singly linked lists respectively, the task is to check whether the two linked lists are identical or not. Two linked lists are identical when they have the same data and with the same arrangement too. If both linked lists are identical, then return true, otherwise return false. Okay, so pretty straightforward problem statement. Nothing much to explain here, just a small thing that the data and arrangements should be same in order for two linked lists to be identical. Okay, so data basically refers to the node data and arrangement refers to the node arrangement, that is number of nodes in a linked list. So we can distribute this problem also in the two steps, that first we will check the number of nodes and another one we will check the number of data. If they both satisfy, then we can print true, otherwise we will return. Okay, so for number of nodes, what we are going to do is, suppose 1 2 3, this is the linked list that has been suppose provided to us. So we will create a temp node and we will mark it towards the head. Okay, temp is equal to head. What we are going to do, we are going to use a while loop, that while the temp is not equal to null, what we are going to do, we will create a counter which will store our number of nodes. Okay, so we will increment that counter. So cnt plus plus, initially it will be 0. So suppose we are at this, so temp is not equal to null, so counter will get incremented, it will become 1. Now we will move our temp variable to temp dot next. Okay, temp is equal to temp dot next, so it will move towards here. Again, it will check that whether temp is not equal to null, so it will increment the counter and it will move, temp will move towards its next node. Again, it will check the temp is not equal to null. Since it is not equal to null, so it will get incremented, our counter variable, and temp is equal to temp dot next. So now it will start pointing towards null. Okay, since now, yeah, so this condition will make us exit the while loop. Okay, so this we will check for both the linked list, and if both the counters, basically counter 1 for the first linked list and counter 2 for the second linked list, if they both are equal, what we are going to do, we are going to, we are able to solve the first half, that the same number of nodes. We have checked that both the linked list have the same number of nodes. Now for the data thing, we are going to use the same approach. Okay, so we will create another temp variables, temp 3 and temp 4, and store the, what we can say, store the values, provide them with the head values. Okay, so head 2, and we will again use the same while thing, that while temp 3 is not equal to null, what we are going to do, we are going to check the data, that temp 3 dot data is not equal to temp 4 dot data. If it is so, then we are going to return false, otherwise we are going to move towards the next, next node, temp 3 dot next and temp 4 dot next. Okay, so what we are doing here is, this. Suppose 1 2 3 was there and another one 1 2 3 was there. Okay, so we created a temp variable for both of them, temp3 temp4. Okay, so while temp3 is not equal to null, while temp3 is not equal to null, what we are doing, we were checking that temp3 dot data and was equal or not with respect to temp4 dot data. If it was equal, then we were incrementing the temp. Okay, we will move forward and check another values, and if they were not equal, immediately we will return false. So that was the logic, you know in order to solve this problem. Thank you.